Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials: tools, battery, and a clear workspace. First, remove the bell cover, use a small pry tool if clips are tight, and locate the battery compartment. Once open, inspect battery type and polarity markings so you install correctly later. Next, check LEDs on both transmitter and receiver. These give immediate status. If LEDs are dim or non-responsive, make a note. Finally, gently probe for corrosion or loose wires, because addressing those first saves time and prevents false fixes. Now you run diagnostic tests. Measure the battery voltage with your multimeter and compare to the nominal value printed on the battery. If below spec, replace it immediately. Once replaced, clean any corroded contacts using contact cleaner and a small brush. Scrape gently with a file for stubborn corrosion. Then reseat connector pins and, if needed, solder any loose wires for reliable connection. Finally, test the transmitter button for continuity. If the switch fails, swap or repair it before reassembly. You finish by reassembling the unit carefully. Ensure seals are seated and the antenna is not pinched, because signal strength matters. Once closed, follow the pairing procedure. Hold the pairing button, press the transmitter, and listen for the audible chirp to confirm success. If it still does not ring, perform one key troubleshooting step. Reset the receiver to factory settings, then try a fresh battery and repair. If that fails, swap the RF module or check for interference from nearby wireless devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.